YouTube? Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the LEASTYLE wireless spotlights. They're battery operated and they're accent lights. First things to know is that this does come in a pack of 2. I already have one installed up in my office, which is what we're going to look at. But I left one not installed so that you could see what it comes with. It comes with 2 of these lights and they have an easy on-off switch right there. It also comes with 2 remotes. You only see one here because I have the other one upstairs, but the remote is so that you don't have to keep going up and down if you have these mounted to the ceiling to turn them on and off. You have screws to mount them to the ceiling or wall, wherever you'd like, with screws if you'd like to. They also include double stick pads if you'd like to do it that way. I actually use some mounting strips on mine to put it up on the ceiling so that way I can rip it off and it's an easy takeoff should I ever want to remove it. When you want to put batteries into it, it runs on AA batteries. We're just going to twist the base off like so, and it takes 3 AA batteries. Then you just mount it back on there, give it a nice little turn to lock it in there, and it will lock that in. This is where the double stick pad will go. Or you can see that they also leave holes so that you can mount it with screws. So you can actually take this base plate off and screw it in here, there. So there's 2 screws that will go against the ceiling. Myself, I like to be able to remove stuff without harming walls, ceilings, or anything like that. So again, I used my own mounting Velcro tape, which is just easier for me. The light itself is one big bright LED. We'll see that a little later on. And it can rotate left and right, and you can also move it up and down. So once you have this mounted, you can basically swivel this in any position that you need in order to hit what you want to accent. The remote itself, it does come with batteries. You just have to remove this protector tab right there. But it has an on-off switch. You can dim it, plus or minus. This right here is an automatic dimming setting. You go 10% of the light, 40%, 80%, 100%. And these down here are timers. I actually found these quite useful because if I have it in my office, basically sometimes I'll forget I left it on. So if I put the timer on for like 60 minutes, it'll go after 60 minutes. And yeah, it's a bit of a pain to say, oh, I want to accent it longer, but that way you won't waste down the batteries. The batteries themselves in my testing lasted about a good 12 hours, I would say, right around 12 hours. And it dims as the batteries die, so you'll definitely know when the batteries need replacing. So here we are in my office, and we have the spotlight installed right up there, if you can see, and it's pointing right into the corner of my collection of slowly growing Back to the Future memorabilia right there. It's at 100% right now, and now we're going to dim it down to 10% using the remote control, which isn't very bright at all. And then we'll go to 40%. It's not bad. Then we go to 80%. It's not bad at all. I just attached mine with some of these 3M mounting Velcro type strips here. I like that it's white, so it blends in with the white ceiling. Black light, yeah, it doesn't blend in as much, but it's not a big eyesore. Overall, I do like the spotlights a lot. Pros and cons about the LEASTYLE spotlights. The pros are that they work great. They light up a lot, as you can see in that corner. Again, I have lights on, but you could still see some light there. 2, very easy to mount and use. They give you several mounting options. 3, it's battery powered, so no wiring is needed at all. 4, very highly adjustable. I can move that wherever I'd like to. Finally, 5, easy to take off and on as long as you use the right mounting option. Again, this button, I guess if it's on a wall where you can reach it, that'd be useful to turn it on and off, but in my application, it's nice that it also included a remote control with a lot of options on it in order to use these. Cons about the LEASTYLE spotlights. The only thing I would say is, seeing that they are battery powered, it lasted about, I would say, 12 hours in my testing on 3 AA's, which is, you know, I don't know if that's good or bad. I mean, it was dimming, you know what I'm saying? So to keep full brightness at 100%, 12 hours isn't that bad, but I wish it had a longer battery life when you put in batteries. 2, I wish that it came in options of either all black or all white, so that way this would be white and it wouldn't clash as much with the white ceiling. It's not a deal breaker, but it'd be nice to see a white option here, or maybe an all black for people who want an all black option, maybe different colors in general. That's all I have about with the cons on the LEASTYLE, just if it had better battery life and if it came in different colors. If you'd like to purchase the LEASTYLE wireless spotlights, Please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.